Hello again. In the previous video, we created a mind map for our business plan and marketing strategy for our new project. While the Ideas app is the perfect tool for creating mind maps and capturing ideas, it's also an excellent tool for tracking the progress of the projects we're working on. You may have noticed that in our map, there are two types of items. One type represents ideas and thoughts, while the other type is a task, something actionable that needs to be done. It's incredibly useful to keep these two separate. When you set a due date for a task, you can see it in Todoist under the Today tab or in the Upcoming tab. But what about tasks for which we haven't set a due date yet? Labels are the perfect way to manage these tasks. Let me show you how. I'm going to select the task, set up Google Ads, open the radial menu, click on Labels, and create a label called Next Action for this item. Now let's select another task, or even multiple tasks, and set the same label for all of them. After syncing, these action items will now be available in the Labels and Filters window in Todoist. Here, I can see the specific action steps that await me in all the projects I'm working on. Labels are a powerful tool and can be used for many different purposes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you haven't already, download the Ideas app and start using it to manage your projects effectively. See you in the next video.